Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Before you begin, make sure your truck is securely parked on a level surface. It's also crucial to disconnect any fog lights or sensors that are easily accessible at this initial stage. This preparation ensures a smoother process. Next, you'll need to locate and remove the main bolts that secure the bumper directly to the truck's frame. These are typically found underneath and behind the bumper. Also, carefully detach any plastic clips and retainers holding the fender liners in place. Don't forget to check for any hidden fasteners that might be tucked away behind the grille or within the wheel wells. Patience is key here. Now, it's time to address the electrical connections. Carefully unplug all wiring harnesses for your fog lights, parking sensors, and any other electrical components integrated into the bumper. If your bumper has a headlight washer system, gently detach any associated fluid hoses. Consider labeling these connectors as you go. It will make reassembly much simpler and prevent any confusion later on. Finally, with all fasteners, electrical connections, and hoses disconnected, the bumper is ready for removal. Carefully pull the bumper straight away from the vehicle. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you with this step to prevent any accidental damage to the bumper or your truck. Once removed, store the bumper in a safe place to avoid any scratches or dents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.